Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So as you know that through this video I'm just going to teach you how to tell a story. So today I came across a situation that I have to go to a particular shop to return this dress which is in my hand. Now why I'm going, let me tell you. Actually yesterday it was Akshat's birthday, so I went to a shop to buy a beautiful dress for him. So I bought a dress and I came back to my home. After that I asked Akshat to wear it. So when he wore the dress was good. It was looking beautiful in terms of quality, in terms of color. But as far as the length of the pant was concerned, it was not up to the mark. Okay. So I decided to return this dress and let's see whether the shopkeeper returns it or not, or gives any other dress instead of this or not. So I have to see that. So today I am going, okay, because yesterday when I was talking to the shopkeeper said that if any stain doesn't come on the dress, if it doesn't get dirty, then you can definitely take it to us and I will return it. So let's see what happens. So stay connected. I'll let you know what exactly happened. So guys, as you can see that I came to the shop with the dress which did not fit Akshat, but here I got the same size what Akshat wanted, and now we are thinking that instead of this dress, if we can go for any jeans and t-shirt or shirt, because as far as the color is concerned it's okay, but Akshat's mom said that maybe jeans and t-shirt would be good, jeans and short would be good. So let's go, we are just trying. So here you can see various dresses are being kept on the table and we are here to select. So whichever we like we can go for that. So this is what we are doing here. I am here along with my wife and my son. So guys, finally we have selected this one. So yesterday I bought this dress as I told you, and when it did not fit him I came here along with this, and now instead of this we are going for this one. So finally it has been selected. So guys, now I have come back to my home and I have already shown you the activities I did in the market. Now if I have to tell you a story, so what I am supposed to do, I will recall all those things I did today since I got up till now, and I will start making sentences. This is what storytelling is. If I want, I can modify my storytelling by putting good structures, by putting advanced words. So this is the main method, guys. Okay. So now I'm telling you my story. So I got up around 7 o'clock in the morning. After that I got fresh and grabbing my chair, I went to the balcony and sat in the sun with a view to getting natural vitamin D. While I was sitting there, my wife came to me and said, Akshat could not finish all the slices of pizza last night. So I'm heating them today. Would you like to go for any slice? I nodded. After that, my wife went back to the kitchen and she came along with a slice of pizza and a cup of tea. So I started taking that slice of pizza and started taking that cup of tea as well. So that was a kind of breakfast for me, and having taken that breakfast, I went back to my computer room and started working on my computer. When it was afternoon, I had my lunch, and having taken the lunch, I asked my wife to go to the shop in order to return the dress. She agreed. She got dressed up. Akshat also got dressed up, and we all just left for that shop. While going towards that shop, I inwardly started thinking that if my wife had gone with me to that shop yesterday, so I would not be going today, because as a matter of fact I always refrain myself from such situations where you have already bought something, now again you are going back to the same shop in order to return that. So somehow I don't like this, but I did not speak out. I was thinking inwardly. So we reached that shop, and after that whatever happened I have already shown you the video. Still I can say that when I went there were two boys, and yesterday when I went there was a lady, a girl and a boy. Okay, so that lady was not available, so I asked that boy, where's your mom? Because I had already guessed that the lady must be the mom of these guys. Then the boy said that mom will come after some time. Then I said that yesterday I bought this dress from here, and it has some length issue. So do you have any bigger size? He said yes. Then he showed me one bigger size, and that was quite up to the mark. But my wife said that no, I would like to go for jeans and shirt. I said okay. Then I asked that shopkeeper to show us some jeans and shirts. Then he showed. After that, one of them was liked by us, and we bought that. After that, we started coming back to our home. Then my son said that I would like to go for uh, an ice cream. Then I went to the shop and asked for the ice cream. After that, I bought it and I handed over to my son. He did not eat on the way. When he came back home, after that, he started eating that ice cream, and I started shooting this video. So guys, this is what I did today, and this is the way to tell any story, guys. I believe this video is going to help you, and you also do the same what I am doing these days, guys. So this is all about this video. Stay connected and keep practicing. Thank you, guys.